Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, especially if you're looking to crush your fitness goals anytime, anywhere. Yep, you heard it right. It's the Better Sense upgraded Pilates Bar Kit. First things first, can we just talk about the convenience of having a portable home gym? I mean, it's perfect for those days when you just want to take a break and sweat at home, or even when you're on vacation. And guess what? This Pilates Bars Kit is here to make that happen. So why is this kit so awesome? Well, let me break it down for you. This unisex exercise equipment is not only versatile, but also effortlessly adapts to your height. I'm on the taller side, and trust me, finding workout equipment that suits my height is not that easy. With this kit, you can quickly adjust it to serve both tall and short people. Just twist the workout bar and wrap the bands around it, and voila, you're ready to sweat it out. Now, I watched some Pilates bar workouts on YouTube because there is a nice little lady who does really great ones, and I just spread out my furniture in my living room, and my dog sits on the couch, and I just do it, and it feels so good. I started doing Pilates because I injured my lower back about 2 years ago, and it was feeling really unstable. And so whenever I work out with this Pilates bar kit, it just is so much more stable, and it makes me feel secure, and I just love it. Now let's talk about these bands. They're not your average resistant bands. No way. They are customizable, ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. And the best part, they're non-slip and made of strong steel. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I call quality. It comes with 6 durable, stackable, resistant bands, totaling up to 190 pounds. So whether you're a beginner or a fitness expert, you can train with the intensity that suits you. And check this out. This kit includes a 3-section gym bar. Yep, you heard me right. 3 sections. It's like a fitness transformer. Assemble it into a 32-inch bar or go all the way out with a 46.5-inch bar. It's like having a compact gym in your bag. The package also includes 6 Pilates bands, 2 hand loops, 2 foot loops, and a carry bag. Now let's talk about the aesthetics, because let's be honest, we all want our workout gear to look good. The Pilates Reformer bar is covered in a thick frosted foam. It's not just about the gains, it's about looking good while doing it too. So there you have it, lovelies. The Better Sense upgraded Pilates Bar Kit, the perfect companion for your fitness journey. I love it. I feel so strong, and you will too. Stay fit, people.